Good morning, good morning, good morning. I finally checked out of my Airbnb and I'm about to go ahead to this place to go get some breakfast. I'm super excited. It's really sunny today, so I can finally go hang out at the beach. Y'all, that breakfast that I just had, that brunch, was literally life-changing, and they gave me a free shot. So I showed up early. They don't open until 12:30 today, and I got there just at 12 and just hung out at the bar. So they gave me a free shot, and I am absolutely obsessed because, of course. So now I am headed to the beach. It's a pretty sunny day, 10-minute walk to the beach. And then after, I'll head back to downtown. There's a bunch of different tattoo places. I met a couple tattoo artists here. This is the entrance I need to my house. I finally made it to the beach. The walk wasn't far at all. It's just my backpack is huge and heavy. This part of the beach is not where most of the other hotel zone is. It's kind of like at the end. So it's filled with a bunch of seaweed. They don't really clean this part, but I still am planning on going in and enjoying this part. To get into the beach, it seems like you have to get like day pass from one of the beach clubs, or you can just walk down here and enjoy it. I did stop by the beach yesterday, a little later in the evening, but it was raining all day, so I just wanted to be able to see it right now that the sun is out and I have some more time today. I'm just gonna chill out here for a little bit. The lunch at La Malinche, I think it is, was delicious. You have to go if you come to Tulum. It's in the beach zone. They may have other locations. I'll need to check on that, but amazing. I had the mixed seafood ceviche with octopus, shrimp, and fish. The pork taco, I can't remember what kind of seasoning it was in, but it will be in the bio, in the description. It was pretty good. I liked the steak taco better, but everything was really delicious, and I ended up getting a free shot, so shout out to them. I'm debating what I should do for the rest of the day. My hotel does have a pool, a rooftop pool, and I think they have a bar. But I know for sure that they have a pool, so probably after I leave the beach, I'm gonna go head up there and just chill out. I haven't been to any of the ruins yet. I'm thinking I'll probably save the day and do that tomorrow. But today is just a chill day. I need to relax, enjoy the moment, thank God for life. So let's talk about vlogging and travel. I backpacked for a while, did a bunch of trips, and I wish that I had started my YouTube channel then, but better late than never. Vlogging does take some time to get used to for some people. I know you can be a little bit anxious in public, or people will always ask, are you recording them, things like that. Or just getting stared at, pretty much, when you're just talking to yourself or talking on the phone. But I feel like so many people do YouTube, and if they don't do it, they're watching someone else's channel. So if you feel like it's something you may want to do and you're going to commit to doing it, I definitely encourage you to do so. Share your stories, share your experiences. Why not? Beautiful day at the beach. I'll turn around so you guys can see the water. I've been here for probably an hour. I think I'll probably go check in to my next place, check out some more of the town, and definitely get some tacos. It's time for a margarita, so I definitely will do that. Overall, I am obsessed with Tulum. I absolutely need to come back east side of it. Water is freezing cold, but so good. I haven't used my tripod yet. I guess I should probably get it since I'm finally actually gonna need it. But let me see if I can set up my phone. Successful beach day, successful pool day. I am delighted. The only thing I need right now is some ceviche, some tacos. Obsessed with this lip liner from Sephora. The color is number 18, Dark Horse. It's just life. What y'all think? I've been looking for a good nude lipstick. If you have any suggestions that you think might work with my skin tone, let me know. So what else is there to talk about Tulum? So getting back from the beach, I initially took public transportation, just took a bus up there, and that was pretty easy because the bus stop is at a park, so just get on the next bus and let them know what direction you're going in. On the way back, it was a tad bit more difficult because most of the vans were already full. They're like little minivans, not like full buses that we have like in America. It seats probably maybe 12 people, and then a little bit of standing room, but normally they don't overpack it. So I finally was able to get one, and I started to get a little nervous because I'm like, I didn't want to have to pay for a taxi. The taxis are like 50 US for a 10-minute ride, and no, I'd rather eat and drink that money. So let me just wait it out for the bus, and I was able to get one, and the ride was pretty quick, easy on the way coming back. Let's see, other tips for Airbnbs. If you're gonna stay at an Airbnb, I'd suggest staying at one that has an on-site staff. The self-check-in process, I've stayed at a lot of Airbnbs. I've gone to hostels when I've traveled abroad, and this was the most difficult check-in process I've had, minus the first night, because they did have someone there at the desk, but it was only, I'm about to reapply some sunscreen on my forehead. I feel like I'm burning. I have the Belif Sunscreen. The first night only because that place was already staffed. But yeah, it's not worth it. I just tried to check in, and I told the lady I didn't receive any of the code because I needed a code to get into this place. It's a really nice apartment building. I assume they might be condos. I'm about to check out if they have anything available because the location is prime. The construction looks well done. The apartment itself looks well done, but you need a code to be able to access the key. And without Wi-Fi, it's difficult to get the messages, obviously. So I signed in to the Wi-Fi at the front desk and still was unable to get the message. And I spoke to the lady, and she's going back and forth with me on reading the message. I'm like, can you just give me the code? Like, obviously, if it was there, we wouldn't be on the phone. So there's that. But I was able to get in, and the place is super dope. It has an amazing view. It's right on the main. So check out my review video for that. You'll be able to see it as well. I don't want my forehead to burn off. Yeah, I'm also obsessed with these sunglasses. I got them from Amazon, and it came in a 2-pack. Unfortunately, the red one was all scratched up. It's probably not going to be worth sending it back, but send me what I paid for, so maybe I might. But yeah, we should review some food options for today. See what that's looking like. It's probably going to be more of the same. I really intended on eating all of the tacos of my dreams, so probably will end up being that. But as far as drinks, there is a club that Black and Tulum hosts. If you haven't heard of Black and Tulum yet, check them out. They do a lot of events here, really popular events here. Just a helpful networking group. So check them out. And I might go to one of these places called Mystic or Mystico. I'm not interested in doing hookah, but it's huge there if you're into that. Let's see, I'm gonna review some of the menus and get back to you. Hi, it's been a great day. I am super hungry, just finished getting dressed. I got this dress from, I think, H&M, and I'm about to, I haven't decided yet. I kind of just want to go pick up some food and eat it here because this suite is so nice. Stop at the store and get some water. That's what I'm about to do now. There's like a convenience store not too far away from where the Airbnb is, and then taco place soon and get some tacos after that. But yeah, we're gonna see. It's pretty busy out here. It's like clearly a party every night. I wonder if that's ice cream. I haven't really been in the mood for any kind of desserts or anything, but hearing that, I could take a popsicle or something. But no, I try to avoid any bread and sweets during vacation. Try to keep it real cute. So yeah, let's go to the stove. See what they have. I've been in the mood. This place is cute. They have swings at the bar. Maybe I'll change my mind and stop someplace and get a drink. I don't know. There's a lot of options out here. So I got a pina colada to go, and in order of pork tacos, I really wanted some shrimp or something. I know there's a restaurant nearby here that has some grilled lobster, and I'm thinking about getting that. I would have gotten it at this place, but everything, it comes in like 3 or 4 in an order, and that's more than I want to eat right now. I'm excited. It's a really like cute place. I'm happy I can get my pina colada to go for. There's a cafe that I just walked past. They look like they have really good stuff. I really want a coffee. Maybe tomorrow morning that will be my first stop, and I can grab some matcha or get a coffee there.